Hi, as you know that to build a successful startup, you need more than just an idea and a courage to succeed. You need support, you need connection, you need a patient wife or husband, and of course you need money. What if I tell you that we can find all these things in just one place, except for the patient wife, of course? Harabeee is a platform that offers courses in entrepreneurship, hundreds of resources on how to build your startup, and this is going to build a virtual community. This community is going to bridge the MENA region together, and we are live today. In this community, learner will ask questions, will help each other, and will team up with other learners. Mentors are going to offer the consultation for a fee, and companies will pay to have access to this community. Our uniqueness in Harabeee is using gamification to motivate users to study, and using Arabic content, which is very original, and finally connecting the entrepreneurs with the ecosystem in the MENA region. How are we going to get the money? And by the end of 2019, we will have a large enough community to monetize it via native ads and affiliate program. And by the end of 2020, we can have more revenue by mentorship fees and commission for investment matchmaking. Our market size is 20 million technology students and tech workers. Almost one quarter of them are tempted to start their startup soon, and we are aiming to target about 500,000 in the first 2 years of Harabeee. Although the MENA region is only 4% of the global market for the startups, they have about $2 billion in circulation that we can capitalize on them. So the MENA region is still a blue ocean filled with opportunities. We launched 3 months ago, and we have 2,000 users. About 1/5 of the conversion rate of the visitors are converting. We are present in Turkey, in Saudi Arabia, and in many other countries. And finally, we almost spend virtually nothing on advertising because many people are coming to our website. We need $500,000 to grow our community, to enhance our platform, and to build more content. And more importantly, we are here today to recruit you to join our platform and share your knowledge. Our team comprises of a high professional in technology and business development. We have experience in startup community in the MENA region for about 18 years in building and developing startups. Thank you.